We're live.
We're live? No. I haven't said my lines yet. Welcome to Worst Case Scenario. Stop. My hair was messed up. Hi, and welcome to Worst Case Scenario. Stop. My makeup is way messed up. Hi, and welcome to Worst Case Scenario. Today on Worst Case Scenario, we'll be going to the Amazon.
We're on a boat.
I mean, the boat. I'm on a boat and it's go. Where's my music?
We cut that out of the script.
So you're not gonna tell me? You're not gonna tell me about the script changes? You're not gonna tell me the freaking script changes? Oh, sorry about that. Remember, after watching this scenario, pick the option that you think is correct. Play the scenario, Perez. I'm Paris.